Sound test. Hey everybody, Metro Man is here. This is just a sound test. I put the microphone on. I just need to see if it works. You guys like the new character? I'm not really sure about the pants though. I don't really think they're working. But the shirt, I'm loving the shirt. Just thought it was in need of a change. I've been playing the game for like maybe 4 or 5 years with the same avatar. I think it's time to change, you know? But anyway, this is just a sound test. I want to make sure that you guys can hear me. Most likely, the reason why you guys haven't been able to hear me is because I'm on FaceTime. Because, like, I'm on FaceTime with Audrey, so then we can both play Roblox together and stuff. But since we're, like, not having play dates, we just, like, FaceTime each other. And probably when I FaceTime a person in the middle of a recording, the sound won't work. So, yeah. This is just a sound test. It's just me. Audrey's not here, as you can see. You can't see her in the camera anywhere. Can't see her anywhere. I'm just wondering whether you guys will be able to hear me or not. Like, I really want to know, can you guys hear me? And after I'm done recording this, I'm gonna watch it and see if the sound actually works or not. You know what I'm saying? So yeah. I'm also just playing Tsunami Survival for fun, I guess. And stuff. Playing it for fun, having some fun, you know? And also testing the sound at the same time. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, just in case you guys can't hear me, I'm just gonna say, hey everyone, this is just a sound test for my channel. And yeah, it's just a sound test for my channel. If you guys can't hear me. If you guys can't hear me, then I'm gonna buy a microphone and a camera. Well, I'm gonna buy a camera either way, but like, I may not need to buy a microphone. I still feel the need to buy one though. And I'm also gonna get back to playing on my PS4. Once I can mirror the TV. I'm gonna have to get an Apple TV so I can like mirror it. I have no idea how it works, but anyway, so yeah, guys, this was just a sound test, and yeah, we'll see how it goes. Subscribe if you want to see more of my content. Hit the bell, notification bell if you won't miss any of my videos. I'll see y'all in an actual video. Like I said, it's just a sound test, not a video.